Before you buy a drawing tablet that still needs a computer to work, check the best deals waiting in the description below. Some of these tablets can work completely on their own. What if you could draw, design, and create digital artwork anywhere without needing a laptop or PC? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best standalone drawing tablets for artists. From beginner-friendly portable tablets to powerful drawing monitors built for professionals, these devices make digital art easier and more accessible than ever. Stick around until the end, because our #1 pick delivers professional-level drawing precision at an impressive value. Let's get started. Number 5. Picasso Tab XL Drawing Tablet. Kicking off our list is the Picasso Tab XL, a beginner-friendly drawing tablet designed for artists who want a simple all-in-one solution. One of the biggest advantages of this device is that it works completely without a computer. Everything you need to start drawing comes built right into the tablet. It features an 11.6-inch screen, giving users enough space to work on digital illustrations, sketches, or creative projects. The tablet also includes pre-installed drawing apps and tutorials, making it especially useful for beginners who are just learning digital art. Another great feature is the bonus accessories. The package includes a stylus pen and additional items that help users start drawing right out of the box. Because it's lightweight and portable, the Picasso Tab XL is also a great option for students or anyone who wants to draw while traveling. However, it does have a few limitations. Advanced artists might feel restricted by the limited app selection, and some users may prefer a larger screen for detailed artwork. Still, for beginners looking for an affordable and portable standalone drawing tablet, this device offers excellent value. Best for beginner digital artists and students. Downside, limited apps and a smaller screen for complex projects.
Number 4. XP Pen Magic Drawing Pad. Next on the list is the XP Pen Magic Drawing Pad, a powerful, standalone tablet designed for artists who want performance and portability. This tablet features a 12.2-inch display that offers plenty of workspace for sketching and digital painting. Unlike many traditional drawing tablets, it doesn't require a computer connection, making it ideal for artists who like to work anywhere. One of its most impressive features is the 16,384 pressure levels supported by the X3 Pro battery-free stylus. This allows for extremely precise strokes and a highly responsive drawing experience. The tablet also includes a paper-like screen texture, which helps mimic the natural feel of drawing on real paper. This makes the transition from traditional art to digital art much easier. Performance is another highlight. With 8 GB RAM and 256 GB of storage, the device can handle multiple projects and applications smoothly without lag. While the tablet only comes in a single color option and is slightly heavier than some competitors, its features and performance make it an excellent choice for serious digital artists. Best for artists who want a powerful standalone drawing tablet with professional precision. Downside, slightly heavier and limited color options. Number 3. Picasso Tab X14 Drawing Tablet. If you want more screen space for your artwork, the Picasso Tab X14 might be exactly what you're looking for. This tablet features a large 14-inch display, giving artists a comfortable workspace for detailed illustrations, concept art, and digital design. Like other tablets in the Picasso Tab series, it works completely without a computer, making it a flexible tool for artists who prefer portability. The device comes bundled with a stylus pen and professional drawing apps, along with tutorials that help users improve their digital art skills. Despite the larger screen, the tablet remains relatively portable, which is great for artists who like to work on the go. While the tablet mainly relies on its pre-installed apps, the overall package still offers great value for both beginners and intermediate artists. Best for artists who want a larger drawing surface without needing a computer. Downside, limited third-party app support. Number 2. Picasso Tab X Drawing Tablet. At number 2, we have the Picasso Tab X, another excellent option for beginners entering the world of digital art.
This tablet features a 10-inch screen and operates as a fully standalone device, meaning you don't need a PC to start creating. It includes built-in drawing applications and tutorials that guide users through digital art basics, which is incredibly helpful for newcomers. The package also includes a stylus pen and bonus accessories, ensuring that everything needed to start drawing is included. Its lightweight and portable design makes it easy to carry around for sketching ideas anywhere. The main drawback is that the screen size may feel small for artists working on larger or more detailed projects. Advanced artists might also want more powerful features. However, for beginners who want a simple and affordable drawing tablet, the Picasso Tab X is a fantastic starting point. Best for new digital artists learning drawing basics. Downside, smaller screen and fewer advanced features. Number 1. XP Pen Artist 13.3 Pro. Taking the top spot on our list is the XP Pen Artist 13.3 Pro, a powerful graphics drawing monitor designed for serious digital creators. This tablet features a full laminated 13.3-inch display, which reduces the gap between the stylus tip and the cursor. The result is a much more natural drawing experience that feels closer to traditional sketching. It supports 8,192 levels of pen pressure, allowing artists to create extremely detailed strokes, shading, and textures. Another highlight is the 123% sRGB color accuracy, which ensures vibrant and accurate colors, an essential feature for designers and illustrators. The tablet also includes an adjustable stand and 8 customizable shortcut keys, helping artists work faster and more efficiently. While the device is slightly heavier than smaller tablets and still requires a computer connection, its professional features make it a powerful tool for digital artists. Best for professional artists and designers. Downside, requires a computer and may feel heavier for travel. That wraps up our list of the best drawing tablets for digital artists. Whether you're a beginner learning digital illustration or a professional designer creating detailed artwork, there's a tablet on this list that can fit your needs. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.